guys, sanibona. So I'm watching Emzini here, you know, just when everyone was about to ululate, abanye basha amakhwelo, celebrations and everything, upanyaza and ihlatsi kuwo wonke umuntu we like, and Ubandile was like, yeah, I can't believe Ubandile really did this to his parents, and I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. If you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this. Now, nango phela Ubandile, and if you thought uzophela lapha ekhiphe upanyaza ejele, no, you got it all wrong, because he even bought him a suit. Wahamba umzingela yena umthengela isuit, wathi baba, come to the wedding of the love of your life. Uyashada lapha yana hamba la nomuntu wakho. I can't believe ukuthi lo muntu lona he's really doing this to his own father. You know, sengiyazibona nje ngithatha isitha sika baba wami ngisibeka la eduze kwami, trying to punish my dad like that. Hey, being rich must be a privilege, like a real privilege. I really don't get this. So what Ubandile did is that he had a little fight with Baba wake, felt like he's not enough in the family, felt like Kucha has more son Baba wake than him. So he decided to travel with his mom in the picture. But like that, I will keep a jail. He saw that Ubaba has been trying all this time. Hey guys, can you get the story in this? I must say this thing is properly written. I know that some of you guys are criticizing and saying that it's losing its plot, but no man. This thing is a well-oiled machine. I'm telling you right now. Go watch it. It should be these days. And I cannot wait for Panyaza now that he's out of jail. I cannot wait for him going toe-to-toe with Uzakele, fighting for Ututuzile, fighting for his businesses, fighting for everything. And I'm wondering, whose side is Shaka going to pick? Is he going to pick Panyaza's side? Since Panyaza all knows Bawoka Ngempela, or is going to stay with Uzak? Guys, can you imagine this? Anaznina. So comment down in the comment section. Do share with you now, what did you think about this particular scene of Emzini? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. Also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know, TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.